Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Tyler.
Welcome to TNT's Kitchen. It's always important to wash your hands before you make anything in the kitchen. It's always good to wash your hands for at least 15 seconds. Today we're making chocolate chip and banana pancakes.
Bananas are our favorite fruit because they are delicious and they're healthy.
Breakfast, booyah! Woo!
Once you're done chopping your bananas, you can put it in a bowl and put it aside right now. To make this simple and delicious breakfast, you will need to start with some instant pancake batter. You can follow the directions on the box. My recipe calls for a cup and a half of water and 2 tablespoons of butter.
Make sure you blend until smooth, no lumps at all. See, no lumps.
Now we need the bananas.
And the chocolate chips.
Never forget the chocolate chips.
Never. Cook, chef, slice, sweat. Never use the stove without supervision.
Because it can be dangerous. Place the butter on the skillet to make sure it's hot.
Next, you pour the batter on a hot skillet. The bottom should start getting fluffy and pancakey.
When it looks like it has been cooked halfway, flip it over for about 30 seconds.
Breakfast booyah!